we can engineer a chaser, maybe 2-tooth, 3-tooth, 5-tooth. We can engineer a chaser that they can go straight to market with and trust in the quality and that it's going to work.
So Cole, you guys have been making threaded inserts for industry for about 40 years now.
Yes, that's true.
What are you guys making around us?
So right now we've got some standard buttress inserts, the standard buttress. And then on the other machine behind me here, we have one of our licensed products being made for one of our customers in the US.
Yeah, and they're part of a huge range. Tell me more about licensed products. Tell me more about kind of the standard ones as well.
Yeah, so we make your standard, your APIs, your buttress chasers, single tooth, pull threading. As long as that, as well as that, we also offer licensed products. So right now we have four licensed products or 4 licensed groups that we make for 4 different customers. And right now we're working on a 5th, which is very exciting for us. We've got the quality aspect of things. We've got an industry-leading quality department. We 100% inspect our products. So to these customers, that's very important because once they leave here, they go to them and they inspect 100% as well as ourselves. And a lot of these customers now, they've just went from testing everyone or inspecting everyone to now just 1 in 10, which is rare in this industry.
Yeah, fantastic. So it's been, obviously, you've had to build a lot of experience and knowledge into not just the machinery in the process, but the workforce as well to support that.
And like you said, we've been doing this for 40 years now. So the guys on the machines are some of the best in the UK. And with that, we can produce some of the best products globally.
Yeah, and it's amazing. This is UK made.
Yes, everything's UK made. So the substrate's the only thing that we purchase outside the UK, and that's in Europe alone. But everything else, so the grinding's done here, the edge prep, the cleaning's done here, the coating are also done in the UK. So we, we're proud to say that we are UK made and UK manufactured product.
Yeah, and Posithread have been exporting these products for a long time around the world.
Yeah.
But tell me more about kind of what the renewed focus is now for yourself.
Yeah. So historically, we've got Asia, we've got a good footprint in Asia, Europe obviously with us based here, and especially the UK up in Aberdeen. But now we're really focusing on the US market, and I would like to start bringing some more of our products there and getting customers testing them, and really show what we can offer because. At the end of the day, we're not here to take part, we're here to compete, and I do feel like we're leading the future technology and chasers.
So what's the knock-on effect of having all these processes in-house, being able to do them all under one roof?
So the benefit that you have is, as a customer, come to Posithread, you got myself, I'm the global sales manager. So if you contact us, we've got all the processes in-house. So if you have a design change, we've got an engineering department who can change drawings instantaneously or within a couple of days. Also, if you have any issues with, you may have a machine that's worn. You might need a different edge prep, to relieve some of that stress. We can do that instantaneously. With a lot of our competitors, sometimes you're looking at 8 to 10 weeks turnaround where we can get it done within a week or two, which, I feel that's very beneficial to some of our customers.
And how's that benefit in terms of new projects?
So a lot of licensees over the years, they do change their thread forms a little bit. May that be a wedge connection, or just their standard buttress, that they've got a bit of tighter tolerance on. It means for them, especially if we have a partnership and a relationship with them, they can come to us and say, hey, we've got to make a change or we've got a new thread form. What can you do with it? And we can engineer a chaser, maybe 2-tooth, 3-tooth, 5-tooth. We can engineer a chaser that they can go straight to market with and trust in the quality and that it's going to work.